Okay, hello everybody. CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, appreciate it, and thank you for all the kind comments I've been getting. I hope I'm helping people out there, introducing them to the world of cryptocurrency mining and cryptocurrencies for that matter. Just before I begin, please, everyone, be safe. Take the necessary precautions to prevent the spread of this coronavirus. And from my family to yours, I wish you well. As always, please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell so you get my videos as soon as they come out. If you have any questions or comments, if you want me to look into a project to GPU mine or review, please leave it in the comment section. I appreciate it. Okay, so today I want to talk about xGalaxy and how to mine it. I'm on their website here, xGalaxy.io, and I'm going to leave that link in the description of the video. So it looks like they have master nodes. You can earn passive income by operating Galaxy Masternode, fast, secure, private transaction based on blockchain technology, fair launch, no ICO, virtually no pre-mine. Looks like they're going to have a binary options trading platform. Here's a link to their wallet and a link to their blockchain explorer. And we'll get back to that in a minute. And there's a link to their Discord channel. It doesn't look like they have a Telegram channel. So what is Galaxy? xGalaxy is a peer-to-peer internet currency that enables instant near zero cost payments to anyone in the world. xGalaxy was launched August 19th, 2018. So almost 2 years old, and built as a derivative from Bitcoin, Dash, and Ravencoin. All xGalaxy coins are fairly issued and mined publicly through proof of work, as well as being implemented on top of a network of dedicated servers known as masternodes. The primary objective of xGalaxy is simply to increase consumer adoption by focusing on bridging certain features of the blockchain ecosystem with various traditional online platforms. So here's their white paper. Here's a link. I'm not going to get into the technical specifics of the project, but if you'd like to do so, there's the white paper. You can click on it and read about that. Okay, let's look at this wheel that I have here. They use the X16R algorithm to prevent ASIC miners, so as GPU miners, we like to see that. Proof of work, miners are rewarded for securing blockchain. Masternodes, operators are rewarded for validating, storing, and serving blockchain to users. It takes 20,000 xGalaxy coins or XGCS coins to start a masternode. Total supply is 50 million coins. That'll be generated over 10 years. The first year, 3.72 million. Second year and on, 5.256 million. So they're in year 2. Let's see, distribution structure. Miners get 40% of the block, masternodes 55%, developers fund 5%. Fair launch, no ICO, and no pre-mine. Development, the funding for this project was solely done by the team members. xGalaxy is also integrated on a binary options platform and a poker platform. So it looks like they either have or will have binary options platform and a poker platform. So it looks like some kind of gambling you can do using xGalaxy. Here are the specifications. The block reward is 10. xGalaxy, coin ticker XGCS, block time is 1 minute, coin maturity is 75 blocks, daily generated coins 14,400. Let's see. Okay, so that's going to be it for that. So here's their binary options platform. Quick access to your favorite markets, world markets at your fingertips. Easily monitor your open positions. Keep track of all ongoing contracts. So it says it's coming soon, so they don't have that out yet. Here are the masternodes. The block reward is only an incentive for the miners, but not only an incentive for the miners, but also for the masternode operators to perform service in the xGalaxy ecosystem. Masternodes are powerful servers backed by collateral held at xGalaxy. Each masternode requires a collateral of 20,000 xGalaxy to run a masternode. These masternodes host full copies of the blockchain and provide a unique second layer of services to the network. In return, masternode operators receive regular payments for their services. They provide the network. So here's the live statistics of the masternodes. You can check that out when you get a chance. So this is the poker platform. Looks like it's active. You can check that out when you get a chance. So you can use xGalaxy or Bitcoin to play poker with players from all over the web. 24/7 live support. So let me know, have you heard of this project's poker platform? Have you tried it? Let me know what you think about it in the comment section. So here's some information about mining. In this process, powerful computer processes searches for solution, mathematical difficulty problem defined by the X16R hashing algorithm. And there's a link to start mining. We'll get to that in a second. There's some latest news, articles you can read, and additional links. So there's some information about masternodes. There's CoinGecko. There's a mining calculator here. You can contact them at support@xgalaxy.io. There's the platforms, the binary options, which isn't out yet. xGalaxy Poker. Here's the wallet. And it's probably going to, it brings you to GitHub. And I did the Windows, which is here. WinZip. It's win64.zip. Let's go back to the web page. Okay, here's Bitcoin Talk. Let's go to the Bitcoin Talk, which I thought I had it in a link, but I don't, so let's click on it. Again, sometimes you can find some more information about the project on their Bitcoin Talk that isn't listed in the website. So this is a review of what I read on the website. Looks like they have their emission structure here. So so these are the how much reward you're going to get for corresponding place what block they're on. So let's go find that out by looking at their Explorer and see what block they're on. Let's see. So they're on block 801,135. So you go down here and you look. So they're on phase 7, it looks like, which is 2 rewards. Total mined 8 million, total supply 13 million. And miners get 17.5%, masternodes get 77.5%, and dev fee is 5%. Total supply is 50 million. So it's saying the coin supply right now is 5,342,670. And let's go back to their Bitcoin Talk. So their objective is to create one platform that provide 4 main fields of trading: crypto exchange, margin trading, binary options, and online gambling games, all 4 in one place. And here's their poker. So it looks like they're selling 25% or 1,000 shares of the potential platform. Net revenue to interested investors. I'm not sure if that's still going on or not. Let me know if you know or you find out in the future. But like I said, I'm just doing a brief overview of the project. Here's some of the exchanges they're on. And that's going to be about it for that. CoinGecko, it says this is the price of their coin here right now. And they have the same circulating supply. So the circulating supply is low and the total supply is pretty low. I'm not sure I don't see a roadmap anywhere. Let's go to the Discord channel. So this is the specifications of the coin. Their block rewards like we went over. So here we have new roadmap. And this is from xGalaxy. Hi everyone, I am happy to share with you that the exchange part has been built. Database structure and the functions for inserting new deals orders has been built. We will start on the binary next. Should be done within a week from now. Cheers. Okay, so it looks like they're moving forward as of February 18th, 2020 with their platform. If they can get that up and running, you probably, in my opinion, and I'm not giving it financial advice, but that could be a big boost to the project. And you can read more about it here. There's some information about the master nodes and etc. But I have to move on because I don't want this video to get too long. So let's go to, I'm using Zergpool right now. Algorithm X16R, XGCS is the ticker. Here's my wallet. Obviously you want to use your wallet, and here spits out the command line from the command line generator. So you're going to copy and paste it. So you're going to copy it, go over to Simplemining. As you can see, I'm mining it right now. You're going to go to group config. And I'm using T-Rex, CUDA 9.1. Add a group. Go down to T-Rex. Here, as you can see right here at the first entry is X16R, and that's the algorithm that we want to use, so we know we're using the right miner. I'm using 9.1, but use what you feel as though is best for you. And you're going to cut this and copy and paste your command line here. Oops. So you're going to copy. And then we're going to paste in here. Boom. Group name, I'll use xGalaxy. Group description, I use T-Rex, CUDA 9.1 in the pool I'm using. So Zergpool T-Rex 9.1, which as you can see is what I have here. So let's go to rig list. Let's go to the heads up display. And as you can see, I'm getting blocks. I'm getting jobs, and I'm hashing away here. I'll try to hang around so I can show you that I'm getting shares when they pop up. Let's look at, so my GPUs are running hot on this algorithm, hotter than normal. So that's something to take into consideration. I'm usually at around 62-ish degrees Celsius. And I'm using my Equihash algorithm overclock settings. Obviously, you want to use the settings, overclock settings, what you want, and at your own risk, of course. So let's hang around for a bit longer. I just want to show you guys that I'm getting shares here. Okay, so it says okay. That means I'm getting shares. I believe that's what it means, but I am hashing away here, so I know that the command line is working properly. So if you have any questions or comments, let me know. Have you heard of this project? Are you thinking about mining it? Have you mined it? Let me know what you think. If I missed anything that needs to be brought up about the project in the comment section. But I hope this gets you started right away. I hope this helps. And again, please subscribe, like, share. Appreciate it. And until next time,